Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Medico legal importance. Drunken driving. Drunk and driving is dealt under Section 185 Motor Vehicle Act. Drunk and drinking is an offence. Statutory limit of blood alcohol concentration is 30 milligram percentage. Punishment is given if first offence in 6 months or 10,000 or both. Subsequent punishment is given for subsequent offences is for 2 years or 15,000 or both. Section 510 IPC. In Section 510 IPC deals with misconduct of drunken person in the public. Misconduct of drunken person in public is can be imprisoned for around 24 hours. Specific conditions.
thank you and thank you for watching.